Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. This is SheModern Saturday. We're going to start our week off, or our day off, with some stamping. We're using some tropical plates by London. We've got plate number 6. I am taking the Peacock image right here. I love the peacocks. I think they are such beautiful creatures. Right here is plate number 19. I'm going to be taking various images up here on the plate. The feathers, this one right here specifically, this one here. I think they're just beautiful. So those are our plates. Whoops. Whoopsie. Here's the stamping polish. I'm using the Pearl Peacock Sticky Stamping Polish, and it is just gorgeous. The new bottles have the white writing where it says SheModern in white. Look how beautiful that is. We have got our stamper, the jelly reinforced hollow jelly stamper, our black scraper. What else is going on? Oh, our nails. The nails are square. I'm going to say these are active length. I have painted them white. These are from Temu. I'm an influencer from Temu. I paid $3.49 for these. They are transparent. I don't know if you need this at all, if you want to see these, but I paid $3.49 for these, which is a great, great deal. I have a influencer link, as well as a 30% off discount code for first-time shoppers down in the description box. So please check that out. That is for first-time shoppers only. I don't want to seem to be dishonest, but stack that cart. If you're going to go there and you're going to shop first time, don't buy one or two things. Stack that cart, sweetheart. And how do I put this? You're going to be like, oh, I'm sorry, I've already shopped. Different email address, sweetheart. Got my lip roller, my remover, stamping plates, nails. I got my diagram off here to the side how I'm going to do my nails. Let me stand this up better. What are we going to do? Where's my plates? Here's my plates. I didn't do a trial set, so I'm not really positively certain how these are going to look. I don't know if I should have matted them first, but I'm going to stop bumping my gums. We're going to dive right in. I'm going to do the middle nail first, which is not where we're supposed to start. Should always start with the pinky. This is opaque sticky stamping polish. Cover your image. Scrape low and slow. Should probably scrape. Oh, that should be perfect. Look at that. Can you see it? That is a beautiful, beautiful pickup. I'm very impressed with that. Very impressed with it. Beautiful pickup. And I want to center this towards the bottom. There we go. I want to put some bling at the top, I think. I'm not certain yet. I'm not certain. Sure. Now this pearl in this color is really pigmented. Really pigmented. I do not use acetone. Some girls do, but I do not. I think that's the only image off this plate. So, whoops. Whoopsie. Get the nails over here so I can see. Long feathers. These right here are the thumbnail. Yeah, a little hobble and bobble there. I used to have a vase of peacock feathers. Every year we would go to Tennessee, and my aunt had like a couple of peacocks running around the property. Oh, perfect pickup. And in July is when they lose their feathers. Well, this is such a little image. And she had like 7 acres. We did not roam the 7 acres, I mind you, picking up feathers, but oh, they're so beautiful. My mother still has hers. One feather. Sorry, reach in front of the camera. I wish these images were a little bit longer, because they are so short. I mean, look at the thumbnail. Look at this. This is such a short, like for child-sized nails, maybe. Not trying to criticize, but could have been a little bit longer. Like twice the size. These aren't that long of a nail, really. Beautiful. I want to make sure I got it going the right way. There we go. Clean your stamper. I was going to do my bling nail off camera and I didn't. And I guess I'm glad, because it looks like I'm going to be putting bling on every nail just because these images are so short. The pinky nail is going to be this one here where it has all the feathers. But the peacock is such a beautiful, beautiful animal. I used to be able to make the noise like they do. I'm not gonna try. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm not even going to attempt it. It is 8:42 in the morning here in Michael's household. And my brother's getting ready for work. I'm sure he would not appreciate that. He has never been to Tennessee or around peacocks, and he would not know what the heck I was doing. He would think I had lost my ever-loving mind. Here are our peacock nails. I think the feathers are beautiful. Bling. Alright, we are back. I did the bling nail. I'm putting something on all the other 4 nails. Really wish those images would have been a little bit longer. This one here, that's fine, so I'm going to put stuff up there, but whatever. I think these are really cute. Love the color of the peacock, pearl peacock sticky stamping polish. I think that is just so beautiful. You can get this in the catalog at SheModern.com. Click on catalog. She's got a wide variety of watercolor sticky stamping polishes. She's got jellies. She's got shears. She's got the neon. She's got a lot of things. So check that out. She has got foils coming out within the next week, I believe she said. She has got temperature changing pigments and I don't know if it's going to be sticky stamping polishes. I can't remember what it says, but they are liquids, which is really super cool. I'm going to be ordering the pigments myself. Really, really super cool. Really, really super cool. I cannot wait to get some. I'm going to be placing my order later today. Really, really cool. Got too much top coat on that nail. Way too much top coat on that nail. So let's see if we can take just a little bit more off. Oh shoot, it's starting to smear that one there. Too much top coat on it and I ran it over too many times. Oh! That was my favorite nail. See how it's starting to smear it? I went it over too many times. Don't do that. Don't run it over too many times, ladies. It'll smear your image. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh, I'm missing one. Oh, snap. I want to put that over there. I want to put... Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Oh my. That was a freak accident, wasn't it? Just up here a little bit. Okay, let's see, make sure I'm happy with everything. Hope I am in frame. If I'm not, very sorry. Very sorry. Okay, I am Papa the lamp for 6. Alright, we are back. The nails are fresh out of the lamp. I think these turned out really, really pretty. Really pretty. I like the bling like this on top of the peacock's head. Maybe I should have went with some colored gems, but I didn't because of all the blue peacock, you know, the blue in the peacock, so whatever. It is what it is, right? Right? I'm loving the bling though. So let me comment down below, let me know what you think. Everybody please pay attention to this coming Mass Monday. There is a beauty giveaway involved, so please check that out. I'd like everybody to go enter. Let me comment down below, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. I'm trying to reach my 1,500 subscribers so I can start a giveaway. I want to have a big one. A big one. I've contacted a lot of companies. I want to see who's going to come through. Oh yes, I want to show you something. What does you think of my nails? What does you think? Aren't they beautiful? They're beautiful. Beautiful. Aren't they pretty? On my nails is SheModern's. None other than Shifting Aquatic, purple and green, jelly, sticky stamping polish. Yes, you heard me right. Shifting Aquatic, jelly, sticky stamping polish. They are so pretty, and yes, you heard me. Sticky stamping polish on my nails. Don't do as I do. Do as I say. Don't do this. It's too expensive to wear as nail polish. I was doing trial and error with the demo. I just had to do it. I wanted to see, but they are so beautiful. I got some stubby nubbins over here. I shouldn't have done it, but I just had to try it. Tina already knows. I showed her. But they are so, so beautiful. I mean, I had to play. Who wouldn't want to play with these? They're the only two I have. They are so, so pretty. So head over to SheModern.com. Go load your basket up. Shifting Aquatic, green, stamping polish, jelly sticky, it says. And I have the purple and the green. They're beautiful. Look at that. Take a picture. Take a picture. You don't want to forget this. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I think they're beautiful. Totally beautiful. Okay, back to my manicure now. My Peacock manicure. So we gotta have to go take care of Mother. She's ready for breakfast. It is now 9:13. Kinda dawdled here. So leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you pay attention and watch Mask Monday. Enter the giveaway. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.